Hey everybody, it's Brett here from WebTech with Brett, and I'm going to show you guys how you can add a user in Joomla. This could be an administration user, this could be a super user, or just a general user who may need access to the dashboard. Now I'm going to show you in both Joomla 3 sites and Joomla 4 or above. So the reason you may want to add an account to your Joomla is in case you have a developer or a additional user or somebody who you work with who needs access, but you want them to have their own account. This could be for log taking, auditing, or just to give them a separate environment where you're not going to constantly override each other. All right, so the system is going to work same for both Joomla environments, but if you do need a hand with Joomla 4 or above, then you're going to want to move directly to this timestamp that you're going to see on screen, and then you should be able to see the Joomla 4 version. So the first thing you're going to want to do is log into the account you're in. Now, obviously this is Joomla 4, so ignore it, or Joomla 3, so ignore all the errors. What you're going to want to do is go to your users, manage, and click new. Now in here you can add any name you want, so we can go test admin. Your login name is likely to be your username, so we will use test admin again. You likely can't have spaces in this, so just keep it as it is. A password, there's no real criteria here, but we can just put in a really basic password and just an email. Now under Joomla, you're going to want to assign this to the appropriate group because each of these is going to have a different option. Now, if they need access to the administration panel, you're probably going to want to put them as an administrator. You don't have to have registered, but you can have them in multiple groups. Editors and publishers may only have access to the front end of your site, or you may even see different groups here that have been created for specific purposes on your Joomla. I would suggest probably never using super user unless you are confident that the person knows what they're doing. The super user group more or less will give people access to the system administration options. So up in here where we have the global configuration, that is what you're going to give access to when you give super user access. That means they can change your database system, your sending settings, and a whole lot of other things that may not be necessary. All right, so coming over here to Joomla 4, the process is literally exactly the same. You go here and all you're going to notice at the top bar is different. So you're going to want to go down to users, manage, click new, and then in here, you're basically going to add in a name and login name. You can see here on the newer systems, they've actually identified this as a username. So you can put in your name, Brett, test admin, and then a password. Now this one does have a password criteria, which is 12 characters as opposed to Joomla 3 and lower level Joomlas. To assign them to the user groups, it's the same thing as Joomla 3. Just make sure you choose the correct group. Don't use super user unless you want people to have access to your global configuration. And once you've done that, you can save and close. So now you can send that details off to your developer or whoever needs it. All right, so as a quick bonus, I'm also going to show you how you can reset a password in Joomla. Now, I'm only going to show you this in the version 4.5 Joomla, but it's pretty much the same across any platform. All right, so in here, you're in your users, and what you're going to want to do to reset a password is just click on the user and type a new password. That's pretty much how you do it. So I hope that helped. Joomla is very simple to use. If you do need a hand, you can always go to revivedigital.co.nz. There's a QR code here that you can use. Or if you need to know anything else, please comment down in the description. I'll be sure to make a video to help you. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next one.